Introducing the 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtra-x 2.0L TD Ecoble 205P in sleek grey. This pickup is equipped with top-notch features like Bluetooth, cruise control, parking assistance, and more for your comfort and safety. With advanced technology like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, this vehicle comes with a comprehensive warranty, a full health and safety check, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can drive away in the 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtra-x.